7 easy kitchen cleaning hacks you need to try today. Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the Clean Life blog. Today, we've got something super exciting for you, 7 quick and easy kitchen cleaning hacks that will make your life much easier. Let's jump right in. Hack number 1, lemon power. Squeeze some lemon juice onto those tough stains, and watch them disappear. Hack number 2, steam clean. Easily clean your microwave using a bowl of water and vinegar. No more scrubbing. Hack number 3, blender blitz. Just blend some soapy water, rinse, and voila, a clean blender in seconds. Hack number 4, foil magic. Line your oven rack with foil for a mess-free baking experience. Hack number 5, magnetic magic. Use magnetic strips to organize your spice jars. It's a game changer. Hack number 6, baking soda scrub. Sprinkle some baking soda, scrub, and watch stains vanish. Hack number 7, sink shine. Polish your sink with vinegar and baking soda. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share these hacks with your friends. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!